If your WooCommerce website has a problem right now, what would you do? How quickly can you get it fixed? This sounds like a simple question, but can be frustrating to answer when your site is down and you are losing money. There are 3 things you have to have for that day to never come, or if it comes to fix your website in a matter of minutes. A WordPress website has a lot of moving parts. A lot of components need to work well together in order for your website to run properly. And because of this, you have a lot of possible points of failure. The most common reason a WordPress website crashes is an update. It can be a theme, a plugin, or a core update that will bring your website down. And guess what? A WooCommerce website is more complicated than a regular WordPress website. If you back up your website often, you can fix it only with a click of a button. You need hosting support and development support. Sometimes your server can crash and you have to contact your hosting provider when that happens. Some hosting providers have great support and some not so great. If your provider's support sucks, your website can be down for a long time. When you have a code issue, you can handle it internally using a freelancer or an agency. The best case scenario is that you can fix your website internally. Relying on a freelancer can be a big gamble because they have no commitment to you, they can vanish and leave you with your website in pieces. An agency is a better idea, but they tend to take on more clients that they can handle, and the response time...
Stay on the line. Your call is very important to us.
Phoebes, you've been up for 24 hours. Go to sleep, honey. This isn't healthy.
No, I'm fine.
Well, depends on your ticket number. There is no doubt that bad people are online. People that want to get money using unethical methods. People that want to hack into your website to get the payment information of your clients. WordPress got better and better at eliminating security flaws, but that's not all. Bad code can lead to security issues. Even an outdated plugin can cause security problems. You have to make sure your website is up to date and your code doesn't present any security risks. If you reach this far into this video, it means that you really like it, so hit the like button.